Kingdom Tower will be the tallest building in the world in about 4 years. It is part of a massive master plan. It's fun to design new buildings, and especially if they're large and interesting. Really behind all of that, we hope, is a kind of seriousness about the problems that we encounter. So I think for those people who have those skill sets that can take on those subject matters, we take on the buildings, we take on the cities. We're lucky to have a lot of exposure to a lot of different things because we have a lot of projects around the world. So there's almost nothing that you see that you don't feel couldn't be improved. And I think we look for design to help us solve almost everything we do. If you look closely at this tower, you will see that it's conceived of 3 legs, like a tripod. And the wind behavior of Supertall, as you might know, is very specific. What we discovered was that we could actually concentrate heat from this building basically onto itself and generate power from the shape of the building. So it is its own power plant to a degree. I think extra-large projects have a lot of impacts that you can actually trace over time. And so for us, it's much more important to have extra-large ideas.